Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basics with Meeta. So here in this video I am going to inform you that how you can extract the phone number or how you can check the phone number of any profile. That process I am going to inform you in this video. So we are going to see the process that how we can do it. So here I am going to open up the Instagram and I'll open up the profile, but this method you can use like say if you have the 100 profile, so you can get the 10 profile phone number, because if the Instagram and the contact number entire thing is encrypted and the profile which have mentioned the phone number and they have hide, so for that profile if you want to know the phone number and email, that you can see. I'm going to show you how. If they are having the they're the influencer and having the business account, so you can find their contact number. That I'm going to show you here in this video. So the process is I'm taking any random profile here. So let's say this is one of the profile, and I'm going to check that if I would be able to find the contact number of this profile or not. So let's see that. So here I'm going to copy the profile URL. So here you can see the profile URL that I'm going to copy here, and what I'll be doing is I'll open up the HTML viewer. So here you can see the icon, it is mentioned here. So this is the HTML viewer app that you can install, and using this you can find the contact number and email. So if this profile is having the contact number, then we would be able to find. If not, so it would be mentioned nothing or null, they would find. So here I'm going to paste the URL of this profile, and I'll then click on OK. So this profile, we will get the source code of this profile, and in the source code we will try to check the contact number is available or not. So whatever the profile you are having, you will check the source code, and in the source code you might can get the phone number and the email ID if it is the influencer or any business account, and if they have mentioned the contact number, then you would be able to find that. If not, so this method will not work, because if you are having the like 10 out of 100 you can find the contact number here that I'm going to inform. So here you can see the source code, and here we are getting the search icon. I'll click on the search icon and I'll click on email here. So when I'll click on it, so wherever the email, you can see that here it is mentioned the notification set things, root migration. So like the profile user have hidden it, so that is why we won't able to find here. So you can see that here email it is mentioned, and if you want you can go and you can further check the email, and you can check out if you find any email like the name of the person with the @ what the Gmail ID, Yahoo ID, so you can find just below this. And if you like 2 to 3 lines below, you can find the phone number. You'll be getting, it would mention that phone number, and then phone number will mention. So in this profile they have hide it. So this is how you can check, but in this profile it is not available. This video was just to inform you that how you can find the phone number and email ID. So what simply you can do, you can, as I have mentioned the email, you can mention the phone number. So accordingly we'll be getting. So this profile have hide it, so that is why we won't able to see. But in most of the profile you would be able to, like if you're searching for something, so you can try this method to get the phone number and to get the email ID of that particular person. So you can use this HTML viewer to check the source code, and with the source code you'll be getting the phone number. So this is how you can check, and even you can try for different profiles. and accordingly you can check if you find the contact number and email ID of that profile or not. So this is how you can do, but rest you can find their contact info, so might be you can get there. But this is how, if the possibility of getting the number with this you can find, definitely you are going to find with this method. If they have hidden it completely or they have not mentioned, so in that case you won't able to find this, because it's the Instagram platform and they have the high security. So if whoever mentioned their contact number, in that case you won't be able to find, or who have not hide it. So basically you can use this method. So this method will help you out, and definitely if they have mentioned, so definitely you are going to get with this method. Rest other method is not going to work for this. So this is how you can check. I thought why not to share, and you can try this method if you are looking for some contact number of Instagrams. You can check with this method. If the possibility is there, so definitely you would find with this method. So this is how I hope that this video will work. If you look for any profile contact number and Gmail ID or email ID, whatever email ID would be mentioned, you can find. So do share and like this video, and do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet for the important information, and I always make the concrete stuff. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, subscribe it now, and see you again on my next video.